Good morning everyone. How are you guys doing today? How is everybody doing? Let's make sure you can see my screen and you can hear me well. And let's see who is with us today. Of course, who we have with us. So, guys, how was your trading day yesterday? The markets, as the gold was really cool yesterday, wasn't it? And I posted something in the Telegram channel. Let me figure it out from here. So I will show you, of course. So we are there. Arabic Forex, good morning. See you and hear you perfectly. That's great. That's great. So, guys, let's start our top-down analysis on the gold. What is going on the daily chart? See this one here, downtrend sells, waiting for reaction, all these things, guys. Okay, so I think we don't need on the daily chart. This is the low. Yep. Nice visible low on the daily. And the high. The high is here. On the 4-hour, I'm not interested about this high whites. So on the 4-hour, I'm not interested about this one because today, it's not for 1 hour, the price will not move all the way up there. So I'm more interested about these wicks here at the top. And this is the range of the hourly, which we can see a nice descending triangle here. Okay, so I'll just get rid of that one. Delete this one. So the hourly is down with a demand zone formed at this level. 15-minute chart. I want to capture the demand right there. That's the sweet spot. Exactly, that's the demand. 1 touch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches here. There is no trend. Hi Ahmed, made a nice profit on gold yesterday. Amazing, amazing. So the trend is clearly down. There is no doubt about that. I want to see a reaction inside this level. So this is my plan for this session. Reaction in demand here. Or this one here, reaction. Supply. So this is the plan, guys. This is the plan for today. Rashid, hi Theo, what are we looking at trading today? We're looking at trading gold, but right now I don't see any high quality setup. What I want to see is the price getting inside this level or that level here. Right now it's in the middle of no man's land. DAX has a nice 5-minute trend. From the daily we reached this daily here. No, that's the 4 hour, sorry. So okay, on the daily we are we are in the middle of the previous day's candle, so 4 hour high is there. Clearly downtrend here on the hourly. What is going on? Lower lows. Short-term retracement on the hourly, classic retracement. Like this. I prefer to go short on DAX, but upon a break below these lows, only if we're gonna get lower lows and lower highs. Yeah, so these are the plans for today, guys. Let me show you what I posted yesterday on the Telegram. Yesterday on Telegram, guys, I posted this one here, waiting for reaction. See, I gave you the plan, clear plan, with all the areas, all the high qualities. I asked you yesterday, would you like to have a clear trading plan set up given to you in real time? And you said yes. So from that moment, I took it seriously and I posted on Telegram. If you are not inside Telegram, you are missing out of these lucrative setups. And on the chart, how it looked like was exactly like this. Let's go back to the 20, to the 24. Let me put the trade levels or trade history here. It looked like that. Price went down, retraced, exactly where I show you here. See? This is the picture here. This one is the bottom. 1, 2 candlesticks, 1, 2 candlesticks. the price came all the way here. Up, right there. Here is the area. We had the Fibonacci confirmation, everything. And from then, damn, it went down and I got an entry on the 5-minute chart. And yeah, capitalized quite a lot on this one. So that was good. That was great, actually. And the other trades, we saw them live during yesterday's session. So from now on gold, I'm waiting for this reaction. What's going on with the WTI? WTI, I think we have bullish divergences on the WTI. Let's check it out. Yes, strong divergences here. We have this lower low followed by higher low. Actually, I'll check this. I'll check this one here. Took WTI broke above the trend line, so we have two confirmations showing that the price is likely to move to the upside. We still need to clear out this high. So now we have this low, that high there. So if we're going to make a higher high here, boom, we're going to look for long positions. And if we're going to do that, it means gold will drop. Nice, but you didn't say what you wanted to do in that trade. Which trade? Which trade? WTI or DAX? Which trade? DAX at resistance, key resistance. On gold, if I see rejection here or rejection up there, if the price action is a strong price action reversal like my bullish engulfings here or the sandwich, I will buy. Yesterday in the Telegram channel, it was an obvious downtrend. We said we have a downtrend. Next time I will say, I'm selling here, all right? Yes, I said watching gold. I didn't say I'm entering the trade. Yep, that's true. But I gave you guys the setup here. I mean, that was the setup, right? And so when you have this kind of setup, you know how to enter the trade, right? It's a checklist. I don't know, did you get the course? I have everything inside the course. I'm showing you step by step everything, guys, inside the course, how to trade this stuff. That's why I write the course, so I don't need to repeat every time the same thing, how to place the trades there. So here the price came. Here the price came, but I'm gonna do something more. I'm gonna do something more helpful. soon for you guys. I said a couple of weeks ago, I remember that a couple of weeks ago I said to you, I will introduce you to the new tool I created for you. I found some minor things that they needed to be fixed before I make it public. And I'm sure you're gonna love it because it's gonna solve a lot of your trading errors. Trust me on that. I'm a trader for 12 years and I really know all these trading errors, why they happen, and how we can fix them. And it's not easy to fix them in real time. That's a problem. So I made that tool that I will show you, I hope very soon. And it's gonna help you a lot. So on gold, we are 15 minutes so far. This outside candlestick followed by, let's see if it's gonna be an inside candle or we're gonna hit down. I don't know. We are in the middle of no man's land. That's not something to argue about. The key levels of support, the key level of support is here. The key level of resistance is there for this short-term trading. So right here, I'm not interested to pick up any trades. It's quality over quantity. I could easily go here with 0.5% on the 0.5% risk. You know, but I don't have anything to lose here to do that. But what for? This doesn't help you to become the trader you want to become. This doesn't help you to create the right habits that will enable you to become skillful in trading. So patience pays always. Who is with me on that? Who from you guys got caught in, let's say, impulsive reactions while trading, even once in your life? Or does anyone didn't behave like that? I don't think so. Yeah, we are all humans, right? So from just speculating on this outside candle, it's a bullish engulfing, weak bullish engulfing, but it's still, you know, a good one. If it was at support, would have been a high quality trade, but right here, I don't think so. Me, many times, yeah. Yesterday, I turned off the computer after losing 3 trades because I was going to keep trading and disaster was coming. Okay, so that's a good discipline. After some trades, you turn off your device. Yeah, that's great. Who else? Who else sometimes made, you know, this trading errors, maybe behaviors? Let's see where this is gonna go. Any other market, guys? Any other market you want to see? DAX, what's going on with DAX? DAX broke above this resistance. Okay, here is another, we take this off. This is a strong supply zone on DAX, guys. Very strong supply zone here. Strong supply. So what we have here, we have an inside followed by another inside followed by another inside. There's about 20 pips space here. Theo, are you ever going to do the DAX Open again? I don't know, but for now, the time it's gonna be like this. You know, I'm not gonna just buy the breakout on the DAX. No, at least for now, because honestly, it's much easier to trade gold right now. Much easier. Sometimes it's ridiculously easier to trade gold than even the S&P or the Nasdaq. Really, guys, sometimes it's much easier. Other times, no, but yeah, at this time of the year, it's much easier. What do you think about S&P today? Let's check it out. S&P today daily. 4 hour here. Hourly. So for the S&P today, there is a high chance and very high chance to see a break above this key level, above here, a break above here, and I can see the price coming into this territory today. And why is that? Because of the experience. Okay, there is also a false breakout here. This one. False breakout at the bottom. And this false breakout this false breakout caused the price to retrace 100% of the last impulsive downward move. And that's why I'm saying most likely if we're going to see the price reaching the 61.8 Fibonacci. But for this to happen, first we need to clear up this high. Okay. So you can go down on the 15 minute and 5 minutes. Actually, 5 minute entries are good on the S&P. DAX finds weakness here, guys. There is a weakness here. If we're going to break below this, if we break below this low, inside, double inside, maybe we're going to hit down, and maybe we're going to also change market structure. Okay, so keep an eye on that one. Watch this closely. I'll place a trade here. So, up. I think that's 2,020. Ah, why is that? Something. My imbalances are really good. Anyway, so yeah, what I see here is break below. Maybe it's gonna even change the market structure because of these confluences. The reason I insist, guys, you have to go inside my course is because if you don't, you will miss all the opportunity to understand in real time and trust in real time all these candlestick patterns. When I started learning trading, everywhere in all academies, everywhere they were teaching price action, candlesticks, bar charts, price action, the real thing. And I took it a step beyond that, and I bought books and everything, and I learned every candlestick how Japanese used to trade them. Because it started from these guys in Japan. They used to trade rice using candlesticks. And I saw how powerful it is in the market. And in my course, I compacted them into an executional trading strategy. You can just take it, learn it, and it's gonna just be with you forever. Okay, simple. If you want access, just send me a message on Telegram and I will get you in. And if you don't want to miss again all these trades, the potential setups, everything I said on Telegram, and you want to get them in real time, guys, just get yourself into the Telegram. It's a free one. Either scan the barcode from the screen you see in front of you, or just use the link I sent on the chat. Here in the chat, I send you the link. And if you guys are already trading, you can get 25% of your spreads cost back every single time you open a trade. Just sign up. In order to get that, you sign up through my link that I post on chat again now, and really it costs you nothing extra. You just get back every time you trade. Anything changed on gold? Again, I'm waiting for the move to the either upside to reach this area or downside to come right there on gold. We don't want to rush trades. We don't want to rush entries. We don't want to rush anything. Guys, tell me, in which countries do you live? Where do you live? Are you in Europe, in Asia, in Emirates, somewhere? Hussein, hello. Guys, Spain. Ibrahim from Saudi. Nice. And I'm based in Cyprus. WTI. Nothing there. S&P struggles there. That means DAX also can push lower. If S&P pushes lower, we can also see some reactions also on the DAX. So let's check some news for today. What's going on with the calendars? Who is gonna speak? What it's gonna say? Huh? Who is gonna speak and what it's gonna say, right? So today, Thursday, unemployment change and unemployment rate in Australia. More employment in Australia, so it brought the unemployment rate down to 4.4% from 4.5%. For the European and London trading session, nothing to worry about. And later on, during the New York session, gross domestic product quarterly in the US is expecting to remain at 1.6%. Okay. Nothing, again, nothing to be concerned here. Forecast gold. Gold hits its lower level of 2026. Okay, thank you very much. We can see it on the chart, my friend. We just need something more shocky rather than to tell us that gold hits the all-time low. Yeah. Yeah, because if we go on the weekly chart, we can all see that, yeah, gold hit the all-time low for 2026, right? So all this aggression, guys, started. Look at the weekly time. Look at the weekly chart. See, the market started from here, higher high. You see all these shallow retracements. At some point, they will they will become deep retracements. Why? Because this is how the market operates, guys. The next, after the break of this one, if we break below this level, we're gonna come down all the way here. There are a lot of technical confluences scream that this is an attractive place for gold, and it's gonna come down, absolutely. Now, if we're gonna break and close below this and we're gonna see the follow through, we're gonna sell gold to come all the way down. But how it looks like on a higher time, on a lower time frame, like the daily, like the 4 hour, it looks like something is wrong in the market. Are you with me, guys? It looks like that something is not right, which is not true. Everything is right. Everything is okay. It's just the lower the time frame you see something, the different picture you will see and the different reaction. You're watching DAX here, Theo. Here is a DAX. Sellers try to push down. Look, what I see from here, guys, is that I think based on the candlesticks and the technical patterns, the key resistance here, that the price can drop. And if it's going to come down with long red candles, we will see change in the market structure. Okay, if not, then we're going to break above and the price will keep moving upwards in an uptrend. But given the fact we hit it a strong resistance, on the 15-minute chart, there is a reversal pin bar. I'm not going long on DAX. Yeah, neither I. I'm not planning to go long on DAX. The only case to buy DAX is if the price breaks and closes above here and we see a follow through. Then and only then we're going to consider buying DAX. But right now, I think to buy DAX, unless, I mean, if it's a part of your trading plan, I'm not sitting next to you to know what are you doing, guys, but if that's a part of your trading plan, absolutely, you just go with that, go for it. So this guy really wants to go up. Guys, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button. There are videos, very, very cool videos coming up, and you don't want to miss them. Also, I remind you, if you want to get what I show in real time and you don't want to miss out on these things, I put everything in the Telegram before I go live. If I find something, it's going to be there before I go live, or after we finish the live, whatever I see and I'm looking to trade, I'll post it there. So if you don't want to miss out of some good opportunities, levels, ideas, just plug in the Telegram. In my case, I would like to see a break and retest before I go long. Yep. But here is something with the shorts. How is gold doing? It's heading down. Even in these cases, guys, I know many of you are thinking, the price, look at this, the price went down for so long. It's time to buy, it's gonna bounce. And this started this crazy move here. Started from a long time ago. So technically, after we broke the structure, just 1 second, after the price broke structure from this low on June 17, and we came up the retest, since then, guys, I only sold gold every single day. I remember I took one buy position, counter trend trade, just for the reversal, but okay, it didn't happen. And I think I was live there and I said that I'm going to reduce my trading size. But all the positions, even what I sent you yesterday on Telegram to tell you that I'm about to trade here, I'm waiting for the reaction, and based on the candlestick patterns that I teach in my course, I'm going to trade this one. Here it is. I took the trade there. Everything short because there is a downtrend. If you ask me here, anywhere in this area, if I close my eyes and press sell or buy, if I have only one chance to do it, and it has to be at that moment, I will sell because there is a downtrend on the higher time frame and of course on the lower time frame. So if the S&P, it's gonna break and go through all the way up here, we will see also DAX following the same pattern, okay? They have a kind of positive correlation on the shorter time frames, these guys. I'm very curious to see this move, how it will end up. I think after the live, we have to go to the gym. Actually, I have one private coaching session. And after that, I think, yeah. we have to go and, yeah, how do you say, to make the blood flowing faster. Euro US dollar is down. Actually, everything was falling yesterday. All the indices, everything was dropping. Cryptos, Bitcoin was down about 5%. Came down to this area. This is the things that I love in the market, guys. So this head and shoulder reversal pattern, I talked about that pattern since the beginning of this year. And I was keep telling you guys, this pattern here, it's one of the slowest but the most trustworthy reversal patterns. And I'm still believing that Bitcoin is going to come all the way down here, around $32,000 to $30,000. So I'm waiting for that moment. But many people, when they see Bitcoin now below 60K, because they were used to, okay, it's fair. I mean, since 2024, it's been 2 years. Everybody sees Bitcoin much higher than 60K. So now if you see it below 60K, it's like, oh my God, what is happening here? No, Bitcoin is dying. What to do? No, that's not true. I think Bitcoin is not dying. Also Ethereum, so cool, yeah. Solana. Solana made me a lot of money, guys, in the market. A lot. Too much. And Ethereum, actually. I can't take it away from Ethereum. If it wasn't for Ethereum, I wouldn't be in the market. Guys, I was buying Ethereum when it was 12 euros. So it was about then, I don't know, $13. With Solana, I got in a bit late, but that was okay. Let's see if we have some divergences here, because divergences are very powerful on the higher time frames, especially for investing purpose. Where do I see the indicators? I got confused now. With trading view, oh my God, I used the MetaTrader lately, and I forget how to add indicators on TradingView. So here is Solana. Oh, there is something nice here. Lower lows. The histogram changed already. The price now made a false breakout with a bullish divergences. What I'm expecting now, it's a further drop to the downside, and the divergences will become stronger, and then we're going to see the bounce. This is what I believe on that one. Ethereum, similar. Bitcoin also, strong divergences on the weekly chart, and they can have a positive impact. The 3 trades I lost were buys on gold, right? On gold, yeah, the 3 trades. That was yesterday, really? Yes, exactly. I see a divergence on DAX on the 5-minute. What do you think, Theo? Divergences on DAX on the 5-minute. Negative divergences, bearish. On the RSI, on MACD. What I don't like on DAX now is that the sellers, if they were strong, they would have pushed the price down so far. So why do they keep coming up? And the buyers are picking up at higher prices, then we're going to have a bullish breakout. I think for DAX now the case is to wait for some structure created at this level, which is this swing low at the bottom. Right now to sell, yeah, maybe we can pick up the top, but guys, that's not the case in trading. Trading, you have to do something, you have to create the habit, doing something over and over and over. Not doing it today, happy day, revenge from yesterday, and then tomorrow trying to guess if you will repeat the same thing. Up. I don't want to sell now. Yep. Gold, what's going on with you, my dear? In the middle of nowhere. Anyone sold gold today? Or not yet? The most interesting is DAX now. Okay, let's be fair. It's at the key resistance where we expect sellers to react and we don't see them reacting. On the minute chart, on DAX, when you see a breakout and it just takes over, it just goes so well. And trading breakouts on DAX or indices generally is considered as a good strategy. But trading breakouts on gold, guys, or in Forex, no, don't try this at home. S&P gonna be interesting at my open. Yes, absolutely. Ahmed said, I missed the move on gold. Now I'm trying to catch DAX. Kumar, oil can move fast from here. Let's check the US oil. If the US oil pushes to the upside, guys, we're gonna see the drops actually on gold. Yeah, absolutely. Theo, DAX looks dangerous here. Come on. It just takes out our life, this DAX. 1 minute. Let's see the 1 minute. See, guys, how easy is to get caught in the wrong behaviors. Like now, you see that DAX is trying at resistance. There are so many traders now. Let's be honest with yourself. Some of you right now are thinking, I'm gonna sell DAX because it's at resistance. And some others, they see this bullish candlestick and say, you know what, the buyers came all the way up here, they're gonna break out here. And this is why we have all these false breakout and all these random moves in the markets, because some traders believe one thing will happen, at the same time other traders believe other thing will happen. Okay. Hi Theo, hello Nitin, nice to have you here. Ibrahim said gold at support, but I don't trust it. Yeah, if we have the right price action at support, it's perfect to trade gold. I have a positive delta with the small candles. There is a lot of absorption. When it breaks, it's going to break hard. Yes, absolutely. Are you watching order flow charts or something? Looks like a flag looking for a sell signal now. Yeah. Let's see the breakout, if it's going to be a strong and clear breakout. Let's see this candle, how it's gonna go. Yeah, looks like that is taking over. Let's see. Guys, I have to end this live stream for today. It was great to have you all here. I have to jump on a coaching session right now, so yes, order flow is breaking, but I will wait. Are you watching which platform do you use? Do you use ATAS? So you bought the Eurex, the Eurox, how do you call it? Eurex order flow, watching the levels on DAX. Guys, remember, everything I see, I post it before going live, and whatever I see after, I will post it here on the Telegram. I just sent the link above. I will send it one more time here. So that's the last call to join the free Telegram. So you don't miss out on signals and you don't miss out on plans. And as I said many times, anyhow, you are trading. So you have trading accounts. If you sign up with my link here, you can get 25% on your spread cashback. And honestly, at the end of the day, it just costs you nothing extra. So I will leave you with that. It looks like that DAX is breaking strongly above. The flow is basic, but you get some good info. Okay, cool. Okay, guys, it was great to have you all here. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe on the YouTube channel, and I will see you next Tuesday at the same time, 10 a.m. Cyprus time or 8 a.m. UK time for 1 hour live stream. We are trading mainly gold, but if we see anything on DAX or S&P or WTI, yes, we are happy to comment on that. Take care, everyone. Happy trading, and I will see you all next week.